Good afternoon to everybody. My name is Juan Carlos Mateo, and I'm from the Master in Decision Making and Innovation, and I'm going to talk about my final project that is called, as you can see, the Car Emergency Smartphone App. It is related with the challenge of advanced health informatics. So, we start with the introduction. And why I am doing that project? Well, if we pay attention to the background, I can say that my motivation, first of all, is because there is an increasing of the rate of accident nowadays because everybody wants to have his own car, and so the rate is increasing, and the motivation of this app is to save lives. Why this app will save the lives? Because it will be connected directly with the car. So if I have an accident, the the medical services will know where I am, and without saying anything, they will come to our position, and they will know all the information that they have to know about us, as for example the blood type or the allergies. So they will come, they will know what to do, and they will know where are we automatically. So in order to state of art, the difference between other apps is that my application will have the medical history of the patients. That is a difference between the others, because the others are more manually, and they will say to the medical services that there is an accident in a point, but not the information of the patients. The One of the most advanced companies on that field is the program Opel OnStar, that is more similar than my application. So my objective is creation of a smartphone app for Android and iOS, automatically and manual communication with medical services. And how it will be automatically? By using the accelerometer of the car. So the accelerometer is not in the car; it's in my mobile phone. And when the mobile phone notes that there is a brake, a very 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 high brake, it will transmit a very high acceleration, so they will notice that something has happened. They will speak to the passenger, and if they don't say anything, medical services will come immediately. So my methodology is to access to this big database, because it's so difficult. It's really difficult to access to this database. So it will be mandatory to sign some confidential agreements with that public entities, in order to know that there will be no third-party information revealed to other people, because it's a bit sensitive. And then when we have all this information, we will store in our database. So in order to the resolution of the case, as you can see, there is a confidential contractual confidential, that will be signed by both parts. That is the my business company and the medical services. And when I have all the information that I need, the app will be more or less as the images I show you. The first images is where the passenger will be searching about his information. So the information will be shown, and the passenger will choose two options. If there is any problem, he will report the problem, and if everything is okay, about the information, I mean, he will say okay. So if he says it's okay, it will be like this, and will be the information. The information that is stored in the database is the car where is his position, the car where he is, the registration number, and blood type, allergies, and others. Okay. Um, if he wants to make a journey and there are people inside the car, he will manually put the information of the passenger, and I mean, he will search for the name of the passenger. It will be some information. He can say wrong if it's not the car where he is, and change manually, and then put add with the button. Where will our users will download the app? They can download the app in iOS or in both Android and iOS. Okay, both of them. And conclusions. There is more than one initiative, as I said. There is Opel OnStar and also another company that is called SOS Smart. They have in common that they use the accelerometer and the GPS, but the difference between my company is that my company will have the medical information of the passengers. One of the most difficulties to put this idea in a real situation is the badge. So if I don't have money, it's really, really hard because the work that it has to be done is very hard. And also the third-party agreements that I said before will be really useful, because if not, it will be so hard to have all this sensitive information. And well, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you have enjoyed. Read again the project report, and you will understand more my idea. Bye bye.